This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Schaumburg at the new Element at Veridian Luxury Apartments. Element has an outstanding suite of amenities, headlined by a 2-story community great room. The great room opens to a rambling resort-style terrace with grilling areas adjacent to an outdoor pool. Element also has a fully equipped fitness studio, a spacious yoga studio with lockers, a business center with conference rooms and private offices, a dog park with separate areas for large and small dogs, a package room with cold storage lockers, and more. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in apartment 125, what I'd call a wow one-bedroom. Look at plank flooring and high ceilings throughout the living area. There's a coat closet off to the right as you enter the apartment. You have this great L-shaped kitchen with a wide breakfast bar island, very wide stainless steel undermount sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, terrific cabinets and counter space, tile backsplash, white quartz counters, it's a pantry cabinet, 42-inch uppers for additional storage. Dark stain is a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher in the island, pendant lighting up above. Heading into the living area, you got sliding patio doors, French look windows with mullions. There's a wide patio looking out into the terrace and pool deck. This would be a great space to entertain in. Heading toward the first of many surprises here. An actual laundry room with a side-by-side washer-dryer and plenty of space for storage. Then there's this great bath. High cabinet for linens, wide walk-in shower, double wall vanity, twin wood frame mirrors up above it, designer lighting, tandem entry into the bedroom. Next, wow. This isn't just a walk-in closet, it's a walk-around closet. Bedroom, generously sized, plenty of space for any size bedding and additional furniture. Windows looking out toward the terrace. Bending around for another look at that closet. Absolutely amazing closet. Heading back into the living dining area, there's another closet. Great storage space, just a very unusual one-bedroom. Element at Veridian has a wide variety of apartment layouts, an appealing location, a truly outstanding suite of amenities, and it really merits a spot high on your must-visit list. You can see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info at the Element at Veridian website.